Welcome back. We are raising the vibes with another delicious, healthy recipe. Today we are making Rasta pasta. Me know a little patois. Yeah, that's for all my Jamaicans out there. I'm going to try to do this recipe justice, which I know I am. It's one of my favorite recipes. I love to pack my pastas with a lot of vegetables and spice. And I have to have the Grace seasoning, jerk seasoning. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. Here is a list of all the ingredients we're going to be using today. I will also leave this list in the description of the video. This is my favorite jerk seasoning. You can use any that you prefer, and we're going to chop all of our vegetables vertically. We're going to be also using kamut pasta, which is an alternative ancient grain. It's high in protein and fiber, a great source of B vitamins, magnesium, and iron. So this is going to be easier on your digestive system compared to white refined pasta and wheat pasta, which does not have as much nutrients in it. I will leave a link in my description of where you can purchase kamut pasta. And what we're going to do here is just continue to chop all of our vegetables. This entire recipe is packed with vitamin C, which is great for our immune system and has anti-inflammatory properties. It also has vitamin A, which is from the color of the vegetables, which comes from beta-carotene, which helps support our vision and increases our skin cells and boosting the production of our white blood cells. We're going to add some extra virgin olive oil to a pan until it heats up. Once it gets heated up, that's when we're going to add all of our chopped vegetables. And I like my vegetables to be not overcooked, so we're going to just stir fry this for about 7 minutes, and then after add our pasta. So here's the seasonings which I'm going to be adding. This is Tony's seasoning, some sea salt. I listed all the seasoning that I'm going to be using in the description as well. One of the reasons this is my favorite recipe is because it's quick and easy to make and it's nutrient packed. So this whole recipe is just going to take you about 15 to 20 minutes to make. So I love to make this during the week when I'm busy and I just want something quick to make, and it's so easy. And this recipe is packed with so much flavor. This is where we're going to add our Grace jerk seasoning. If you're using this specific seasoning, I do want to caution you, do not use too much. A little bit goes a long way. This seasoning is very, very spicy. So depending upon your spice level, you can add it gradually. Just don't add too much. A little goes a long way. And it tastes so delicious, and it's packed with a lot of flavor already. So that's why you don't need to add additional other seasoning, because the seasoning has a lot of flavor and really spicy. It also comes mild, but I love a lot of heat I love spicy dishes. So depending upon your preference on your spice level, you can add the amount you like. And also the Grace Jamaican jerk seasoning comes in hot and mild. I am using the hot version. You can also obtain a mild version based on your discretion. I'm leaving a link in my description below, so if you're interested in obtaining this for the recipe, the Grace Jamaican jerk seasoning, you may do so. And we're just going to stir the pasta together just so all the flavors can really incorporate together, and it tastes so amazing. This is going to be your new fave. Thank you for watching, and for more healthy recipes, make sure you stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss my next